Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here to give you some info about our update to the export helper. So if the export helper shows up in various places throughout Populi, for instance, under admissions and leads, when you have a list of leads like this, you can choose to export to XLS or CSV. That's one place. You've also got under contacts the option to export to CSV and XLS, and then in various other places, including the data slicer. So when we choose to export to XLS or CSV, you get this option. This is what the export helper looks like right now. But that's all about to change, and it's going to get a whole lot cooler. As you can see, we've made things a little bit easier for you to distinguish between different types of fields by adding this field type drop down, so you can select built-in fields, which have that icon, custom fields, which have that icon, and then tags, which have that icon. So you can search just within those various types, or you can search between all of them. This is helpful if you have something like this parking pass field here that has a tag result and then also has a custom field result. So now you can tell which is which. So you can choose to include whichever one you're looking for. But the other thing that we have are these field sets. What we've got here are the ability to save and load different types of data that you want to pull in whenever you're exporting from Populi. So let's say you just want to be able to pull up a bunch of contact information all at once without inputting each individual field. You can select the primary address, primary email, and primary phone, and then save those as a field set. And then we'll have the ability to add a name. We can choose whether or not we want others to be able to use this field, and then we can save. So now you can see that we're looking at the contact information field set right here. And if we go over here, click back to field sets, you can see this is where that is. We could edit it, or we could even just load it right here using that load button. Then once we've got everything we want here, we can export. So again, if we save that as a field set, when we go about our business in various parts of Populi, you would be able to pull just that field set up real quick and export a report that has those additional columns of data there for all of your results. So that is going to be a big help, but guess what? There's more. We're right here on the data slicer already. If we click over into reports, I just want to point out that the load button used to be over here, but now it's over here. Now nothing will be restrained from us, which we have imagined to do. So that's the feature update on the export helper. If you'd like further details on exactly how the export helper works, we've included a link to the knowledge base article down in the video's description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and then click the little notifications bell, ding, 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 so you can get alerts whenever we post a new video. Thanks a lot.